They said, the car. Then came the pump. This spring will come on top of it. It's on him. And then it came to her. Check it out, so it should be free. Well, it's like that. This is the pump. Look at the arrow. It's straight. It is a straightforward reversal. The arrow will be on its side, and the oil will be on its side. Will come. Let's see if it works or not. Okay. They are doing well from there. Now they check out this place.